Howdy again. Okay. Since I already have the mower up on the table, notice the blade is pretty dull. If I had a fresh one, I'd actually just replace it, but I don't. So we're going to take it off and sharpen it. So this is the same mower that I replaced the Magneto in wire. Magneto, 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 Magneto. And just change the oil. The best process for taking off the blade, you need to secure the blade so that when you're turning this, the blade doesn't turn with it. One of the easiest ways I've done that is with a vice grip. You just clamp it on the side of the mower and it stops the blade where it hits. I couldn't find my vice grip, so I just used a regular woodworking vice. Works just fine. Have it anchored up against the wheel, and you can tell the blade can't go past it. And the socket I'm using for this is a 9/16. So we just undo this, the blade will come right off.